Today's kit is going to Kara in South Carolina, and I just love the colors that she chose, hot pink and black. So this kit is the Kinship Hats kit and comes with enough yarn to make 2 hats. One will be black with hot pink and one will be hot pink with black. And then the goodies. So my friend Ashley from Pensive Pigeon designed these zipped pouches specifically to go with the yarn, and I love this iridescent zipper pull. I've tucked 2 Shangri-La Rose tea bags from The Key and 2 Stroop waffles from Rip Van Waffle and Flavor Snickerdoodle, so that Kara can have tea for 2 while she's working on her Kinship hats. If you want to order your own kit, please visit thespinninghand.com. And I think we have about 8 kits left. So I'd love to send one to you.